Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to splice and crossfade audio in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your Audacity application already open on your PC with your audio file loaded in. Once you have your project ready, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the selection tool. Click on it to activate this tool, which allows you to highlight specific portions of your audio track. This is essential because you need to select the exact area where you want to make your cut. Now click and drag your cursor across the section of audio you want to remove. You'll see the selected area highlighted, showing you precisely what will be affected. This visual feedback helps ensure you're cutting exactly where you intend to. Once you've made your selection, navigate to Edit in the top left corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cut. This action removes the selected audio from your track, creating the splice you need. Next, you'll move on to creating the crossfade effect between two audio sections. Click on the selection tool again at the top to make sure it's still active. Now click and drag across the area where you want the crossfade to occur. This is typically where two audio clips meet, and the crossfade will create a smooth transition between them rather than an abrupt change. Selecting the right length here is important because it determines how gradual or quick your transition will be. With your crossfade area selected, click on Effect in the top toolbar. This will open a menu with various audio effects available in Audacity. Hover your mouse over the fading option and you'll see additional choices appear. From this submenu, select Crossfade Tracks. This effect is specifically designed to blend two audio segments together seamlessly. A settings window will pop up showing the crossfade parameters. For most purposes, you can leave these settings as default since Audacity's preset values work well for standard crossfades. However, before committing to the change, click Preview to test how the crossfade sounds. This lets you hear the transition without permanently applying it, giving you a chance to decide if it meets your needs. Listen carefully during the preview. If the sound is good and the transition feels natural, go ahead and click Apply. This will permanently process the crossfade effect onto your audio track, creating that smooth blend between sections you were looking for. And that's it. You've successfully spliced your audio and created a professional-sounding crossfade in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.